Welcome to the channel, and do not forget to like and subscribe in order to not miss future videos. See the description below for everything else that you might need to take your trading to the next level. So, a question that was asked on a previous video is, how many pips should I try to make per day, week, and month as a new Forex trader? As a start, I will say don't set yourself targets like that, or you are likely to overtrade or take setups that you wouldn't normally take in order to meet those targets. Rather focus on sorting your strategy and trading plan and stick to it. But to answer your question, I will say that depends on your strategy mostly. I mean, as a new trader you must have a strategy and you must follow it. Having this clear, now all you need to do is to practice what you have been learning. If you don't have a strategy or a plan, I strongly advise you to not trade. It will be a big mistake. And here is why. If you don't know how to trade and you are a new guy, you will mostly act based on feelings. I thought I didn't trade on my feelings, but I did it without even knowing. Every day, I struggle to leave my feelings back and trade how I learned, applying my strategy. I actually don't know what have you learned about trading and what is your strategy, and can't exactly help you with this. But I will try to tell you just bits of what I do, as an example. Usually, I trade on my platform 2 or 3 times a day. When I take breaks I am far away from the trading world and I don't even try to be curious about it. When I enter a position I try to have my TP, take profit, and SL, stop loss. This is the risk management that everyone talks about. This is how you will win money in trading, because you will never be 100% right. If you trade with all your money at once you might make $1 million in 3 weeks and lose it all in one day. There is a very simple example I like to share sometimes. Let's say you made 10 trades in a week. If you use risk management, then even if you have only 4 trades on profit, you can make a decent profit at the end of that week. If you trade so that on a trade you can win $10, and on the same trade you can't lose more than $5, your risk to reward ratio is 1:2, and that will show you profits over time. I really believe this is how today's traders win. They aren't right many times, but when they are right, they can cover a part of the losses they had. I really encourage you to look up and learn one strategy, to use it every day and hopefully to master it so that you will become a profitable trader. I myself trade and sometimes I win, sometimes I lose. The key is to be consistent. And just by doing it every day you can evolve. On average, I trade between 60 to 150 pips a day. Yes, I know of traders that make more than 200 pips a day, but my strategy is based on swing trading. I buy and sell 0.01 or 0.1 lots, and that isn't much. For 500 pips buying or selling 0.01, I get on average $40. Buying or selling 0.1 for 500 pips I can get $400. And that is a big difference. All the best with your trading. If you want to learn more about trading the markets, watch the other videos on this channel. I'm sure you will learn a lot about trading from them. There you have it. If you found this video of great value, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos.